Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming a full backup so nothing is lost. This protects your photos and app data. Once done, make sure you know the Apple ID and password because signing out requires authentication. Start in Settings, tap your name, then choose Sign Out. You'll be asked for the Apple ID password to turn off Find My. If prompted, enter the device passcode. These first steps remove activation locks and prepare the account for removal cleanly. Now you focus on clearing account-linked services so residual data doesn't remain. Go through iCloud toggles and disable items like photos or keychain if you want them off the device. This prevents resyncing. Next, open media and purchases or subscriptions to cancel active subscriptions and remove payment methods. This avoids unexpected charges. Also unpair Apple Watch and disconnect Bluetooth or HomeKit devices to sever device relationships. These steps ensure the iPad is clean and transferable. To finish, erase the iPad. Settings General Transfer or Reset erase all content and settings. This removes the account and restores factory defaults. Once erased, the device should boot to setup without your Apple ID. If activation lock still appears, sign into iCloud. Select Find iPhone, choose the device and remove it from your account. This clears the lock remotely. If you can't, contact Apple support with proof of purchase. This is the fallback to regain control.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.